In today's episode, the ROUSes continued their ongoing adventure in New Mexico. They've been prowling the state looking for premium chili peppers and need to stretch their legs for a while. Today, they exchange the cities and highways for a remote hiking trail. Stick around and find out what they see up in those mountains.
Okay, where are we? Here's that familiar map of New Mexico, and that red arrow shows you where we are in the state. We're in the southernmost subrange of America's Rocky Mountains and about 25 miles east of Santa Fe.
In that circle on the left is Santa Fe, and over here is the tiny mountain town of Glorieta. We've found a trail here called the Green Loop, and it can be found on the grounds of Glorieta Adventure Camps.
If you're interested in visiting this trail, we've provided the camp's contact information down in this video's description.
Here we are picking up the trail on a clear and sunny July morning. It's already getting warm today, and we're feeling that 7,500-foot elevation.
If you plan to do some hiking here, take plenty of water and bring your best trail shoes.
Now, just check out the sights from this beautiful New Mexico trail.
As we wrap up our hike in these aspens, we are humbled and grateful for the chance to visit this place of natural beauty.
We're also reflecting on how hungry we are and thinking about plates of stacked enchiladas and sopapillas. So, we're going to get cleaned up and head into town for a bite.
But keep an eye on this channel because we have much more of New Mexico to show you. In the next episode, we finally make it to the mothership. We visit the famous farming town of Hatch, New Mexico, the self-proclaimed chili capital of the world. We may just find those world-class chili peppers that we've been hunting for.
If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to our channel. We appreciate you spending time with us, and we love reading your comments. Thanks again, and join us next time from the red and green farming valley of Hatch, New Mexico.